Hey you guys, and welcome back. For those of you new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to do this hairstyle right here. It's an easy look. It's also very pretty and very feminine, and it goes everywhere. You can have it on a wedding, you can have it on an evening out, you can have it for an everyday, you can have it for work, you can have it for school. You can have it whenever you want, and it's super duper simple, and you will love it. So what we want for this look is you want something to be able to divide your hair with. You also want some clear elastic bands, and you also want one of these. You want a brush, because you need to be able to brush your hair. That's pretty much it. Oh, and you also need a curling iron. So I won't be showing you how to curl your hair today because I've already curled my hair and I did that yesterday. So I figured you probably know how to curl your hair. So I'm not going to curl my hair. So I'm just going to show you how to do the updo. So starting off, I'm just going to brush it in the middle like here. And then I'm going to divide my hair. So I take this comb right here and I just split it in the middle like this, or as much in the middle as I can. And as you can see, I have a fringe, which is pretty at some points, not so pretty other times. But what I want for this look is I want just a tiny bit of a fringe going. So I'm just going to take those off as a section like this. And I'm going to do the same on the other side because I just want a small piece on each side. And I'm just going to take these ones and I'm just going to twist them. And this is where this little bad guy comes in. I'm just going to snip it up together like that. Just at the front section like this. Take about a section of 4 to 5 centimeters. And then what you want to do, you want to divide them by 2 like this. And then you want to start going like this. Almost like you making a candy cane shape out of your own hair. You're just going back and forth, back and forth. And then when you're down here, what you want to do is you want to use one of your elastans. And you just want to tie the end like so. And now it's going to open up a little bit, but that's okay because we do want it to be a little bit more open. We just want it to relax. And then we're going to go ahead and do the exact same on the other side. So you just measure right over here and you grab about the same section of hair. You divide your hair by 2 like so. And then you start twisting. What this is going to do with your clear rubber bands, it's going to help you to style your hair at the back without it getting entangled with the other part of your hair. So, taking another one, just tying the end. And you should have something like this right now. Now that I tied both my ends, I twisted them and tie them. I'm going to grab a small section just back here of my hair, and I'm just going to grab the upper part, just twisting it, going to the front and doing the exact same on the other side. I'll just put it to the front like so. Then I'll just take the 2 sections that I just tied and I'm just going to take them back like this. You want to connect the 2 strands of hair together, and then you want to tie them together with a clear elastic band, and also make sure that you take off the other 2 bands. If one of them is too far up, then you can always cut it off or you can just pull it off. I normally just pull mine off, or I just pull them down. After that, you just want to take your hair and you just want to pull the strands apart like this a little bit. So it looks a little bit more like it's meant to look like that. And then you do the same on the other side. Then you just release your middle part right here. And it should look something like this. You can also see that the part that I took up over has just gotten to lay on top of the twisted hair that we just made, and that's just because I want to be able to hide it in the back. And this also creates for a little bit more volume so it doesn't look as tucked down. And I think this is it. This is how it turned out. I think it looks beautiful. It is very simple. It takes no time at all, especially when you do it in the comfort of your own freaking bathroom. So this is something that would take me literally like 3 minutes to do. I would curl my hair in another 3. The curl normally lasts for a couple of days, which means that this is just a hairdo that I can do to have some variety in my everyday life. I do love this style. You can also make this into a braid instead if you wanted to, but if you don't want to make it into a braid, then this is just as beautiful. I hope that you enjoy this really quick and simple hairdo. Let me know in the comments down below if you would rather make this a braid than the twisty hair thingies. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. I post every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and I'm really, really grateful for having you here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!